Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace timing belt 2016 Acura MDX. Begin by securing the vehicle on jack stands and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts. Remove the engine cover, accessory belts, and crank pulley to access the timing cover. Keep fasteners organized and mark belt timing positions to preserve engine timing. Replace the water pump and tensioner while you are here, then install the new belt and torque to spec. Start by draining coolant and removing the accessory drive belts to free up space and avoid spills. Support the engine if an engine mount needs removal for access to the crank pulley, then unbolt the crankshaft pulley carefully. Take photos of the belt routing and timing marks before removal to aid reassembly. Keep bolts grouped by component and avoid rotating the crank or camshafts after marks are set to preserve timing integrity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a Kindle Paperwhite to store service manuals, wiring diagrams, and shop notes for reading anywhere without greasy pages. I find it handy for referencing torque specs and step photos while under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With parts replaced, route the new timing belt over the pulleys following the factory routing and alignment marks. Apply the specified preload and use a torque wrench to tighten the tensioner and crankshaft bolts to manufacturer values. Rotate the engine manually 2 full revolutions and recheck timing marks to confirm proper alignment. Reinstall covers, accessory belts, and refill coolant. Then reconnect the battery and start the engine to check for leaks and smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.